ആരാണ്?
സർ ഞാൻ മലപ്പുറത്തുനിന്ന് സന ആണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്.
സന.
സർ അതെ വീഡിയോ
കോഴ്സിന്റെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് അറിയാനാണോ?
യെസ് ഞാൻ യൂട്യൂബിലെ വീഡിയോ കണ്ടിട്ട് വിളിക്കുകയാണ്.
ഓ അത് ശരി. ഓക്കെ. കോഴ്സിന്റെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് അടങ്ങുന്ന ഒരു വീഡിയോ ഉണ്ട്, ഞാൻ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, എന്താണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എങ്ങനെയാണ് സംസാരിക്കാൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട്?
സർ പ്രശ്നം എന്താ വെച്ചാല് കേട്ടാലും മനസ്സിലാവും.
ഉം, ഉം, ഉം.
ഞാനിപ്പോ ഒരു പ്രൈവറ്റ് സ്കൂളിലാണ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
ഉഹും.
അപ്പം അവിടുത്തെ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് പറയുന്ന ചില കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ മനസ്സിലാവും. പക്ഷെ അതിന് ഒരു 5 മിനിറ്റ്സ് ഒന്നും ഒരു എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷൻ കൊടുക്കാൻ കഴിയുന്നില്ല. ചെറിയ ചെറിയ വാക്കുകളും ഒരു 2-3 സെന്റൻസ് ഒക്കെ പറയാൻ കഴിയും.
ഉം, ഉം.
പക്ഷെ ഫ്ലുവന്റ് ആയിട്ട് സംസാരിക്കാൻ കഴിയുന്നില്ല. അതാണ് പ്രോബ്ലം.
ഓക്കെ. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ നോർമലി സംസാരിക്കാറുണ്ടോ ലൈഫിൽ? ഇപ്പോൾ ആരോടെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ അങ്ങനെ സംസാരിച്ച് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല.
പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യാറില്ല. ഈ
ഉം.
സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ചോദിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ റീപ്ലൈ കൊടുക്കും. അത്ര മാത്രമേ നമ്മുടെ ലൈഫിൽ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് വരുന്നുള്ളൂ.
ഓക്കെ, സോ നമുക്കൊന്ന് സംസാരിച്ച് നോക്കിയാലോ? ആർ യു റെഡി? ക്യാൻ വി സ്പീക്ക് എ ഫ്യൂ മിനിറ്റ്സ്?
സർ കുഴപ്പമില്ല. പക്ഷെ ചിലപ്പോ തെറ്റുകളൊക്കെ വരും
No
കേട്ടോ.
problem, no problem. You just speak, okay? Speak with
ഓക്കെ
confidence. Don't worry about making mistakes so that I can correct you once you make a mistake.
ഓക്കെ
You just tell me. Okay, so what is the main problem that you're facing when you try to speak English? That you can answer in English.
ഓക്കെ. സർ ദ മെയിൻ പ്രോബ്ലം ഇസ് വൊക്കാബുലറി. Okay.
Vocabulary.
That I can't speak with so many words.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Lack of
ഇപ്പം
vocabulary.
പിന്നെ സി ഇതന്നെ പെട്ടെന്ന് മലയാളം ഈസ് കമ്മിങ് നോട്ട്
Mm-hmm.
ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്.
So we have a tendency to jump into Malayalam.
യെസ്. പിന്നെ
Okay.
തിങ്കിങ് പ്രോസസ് സി ഫസ്റ്റ് ഐ തിങ്ക് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ പഠിപ്പിക്കുക അല്ല എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ പറയുക. ദെൻ ഐ റീപ്ലൈ. ദാറ്റ് ഒരു ഗ്യാപ്പ് ഇസ് ദർ ഇസ് നോ ഫ്ലുവൻസി. സം ഗ്യാപ്പ് ഇസ് ദർ ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ദ റിപ്ലൈ ബിക്കോസ് ഐ എം ജസ്റ്റ് തിങ്കിങ്. കുറച്ചേരം ഇങ്ങനെ തിങ്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ഐ എം റിപ്ലൈങ് ദ ആൻസർ. അപ്പൊ ഒരു സെന്റൻസ് 2 സെന്റൻസ് ഒക്കെ ഐ എം ടോക്കിംഗ് ബട്ട് ഞാൻ ഫ്ലുവന്റ് അല്ല. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് മൈ മെയിൻ പ്രോബ്ലം. ബട്ട് ഐ ക്യാൻ അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ഓൾ ദ തിങ്.
What's your name, you said?
സന.
Sana. Okay. So I'll tell you why people are not speaking in English properly. So there are many reasons for that. See, many people, they don't become fluent because they don't practice speaking every day. That is one of the main reasons. We
ഓക്കെ.
we we need to have a consistency in speaking. Then only this fluency can be acquired. Okay. So
ഓക്കെ.
do you have someone to speak with on a daily basis?
നോ.
So I think that would be the main reason.
But all the problem is
Mm,
whenever I start speaking English
mm,
and
mm,
my husband or my family member says that you
mm.
can speak Malayalam, why you are ഇങ്ങനെ റിസ്ക് എടുക്കണം എന്തിനാ? We can
Yeah, that is one of
മലയാളം
the,
അറിയാം.
of course, of course.
And
People try to discourage us, right?
yes,
So
അതന്നെ
that is one of
ഡിസ്കറേജ്
the main
ചെയ്യും.
problems.
അപ്പൊ എന്താണ് വി ലാക്ക് ദ കോൺഫിഡൻസ് ടു സ്പീക്ക്.
Mm, 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 mm.
ആൻഡ് ആൾസോ നമ്മളൊക്കെ കുറച്ചൊക്കെ പഴയ ആളുകളാണ്. സോ വി വർ ഇൻ മലയാളം മീഡിയം.
But Sana, I think you speak well and you have got that fluency. Like you have the tendency to speak. I find, yeah. So I think you are able to speak. So the only thing is that little more polish on your language and so that I mean not language. I mean the vocabulary part.
എനിക്ക്
So
അതാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഫ്ലുവന്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഐ വാണ്ട് ടു സ്പീക്ക്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് മൈ മെയിൻ എയിം.
so I think you are an advanced level student. So once you join our class, I think daily you'll have minimum half an hour, 40 to 50 minutes speaking with your trainer.
ഓക്കെ.
Sorry, 30 to 40 minutes speaking with your trainer. So
ഓക്കെ.
I think when you do that on a daily basis, of course, you can, expect that
See,
fluency.
sir, advanced level means what?
Advanced level means students they can speak English, but
Oh,
as you said, whenever they speak, they have a tendency to jump into Malayalam because when they find it difficult to get the correct words or when they make a grammar mistake, they normally jump into Malayalam sentences. So
yes.
that is one of the main things of this advanced. But they know the grammatical rules and some kind of vocabulary. They know how to speak, but this is the problem. Sometimes the lack of confidence
Okay.
See, and the people, they are too scared of making mistake. So that is
Yes.
the main thing.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and they focus too
Okay.
much on grammar part and forget to practical or the real conversations.
Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
some
how
people.
many levels there in your in your course? How many levels there?
We have different levels. Like we'll start from basic,
Okay.
intermediate, and advanced level speaking. So when
Okay.
it comes to basic, we teach what English is all about. That is the basic level. It's not, in
Okay.
fact, a spoken English course. It's just we just lay the foundation of English.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
is what the basic course. And when it comes to intermediate level
Mm.
students, they can understand English 80 percentage of other speaking, but they are unable to speak.
Ah, so
They are
that
unable
is
to
my
speak.
problem.
They can make simple sentences, but they are unable to continue their speaking.
That is my
No, no,
problem.
no. It's not your problem. Your problem is that you have lack of confidence and you have the tendency to jump into Malayalam, as I said
Yeah.
earlier. So you are
Yeah.
an advanced level because you have good speaking style and you have that flow and a good rhythm. That's all good, but
But
need
the
little more
problem,
practice.
but the problem is I am not confident to be in this advanced level.
No,
I
no,
need
no, no. See,
no.
trainers are there. That they are there to to make you confident, to make you comfortable to speak. So I think once you keep practicing, as I said, on a daily basis, see, the only thing is that the
Ah,
more you speak, the better you become. That
oh,
is the only condition when it comes to speaking, not only English language, but any language. The more
okay.
you speak, you can, feel that difference.
Okay.
Fluency, it comes with the daily practice, not
Happy.
just
Mm,
studying rules or that would be there normally when you speak. If you want to
okay.
be fluent, you must think in English,
Ah,
translate from your native language, speak
okay.
even if you make mistake. That's how you improve.
Okay.
You
So,
understand? And
ah,
have you got any other habits of like watching movies or something like that,
yes,
English
sir, yes.
movies?
I watch movies with the subtitle only. Okay.
That is one of the other
I
issues.
can
Hmm.
catch their not vocabulary, their slang is entirely different, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
So I can't catch.
But
So
we
I
don't
watch
want to
it.
speak like that. We have an Indian accent and Indian English. That's enough. It's not easy
Okay.
to become, to speak like a native speakers.
Okay.
All right. So
Mm.
speak. I told you that speak even if you make mistake, and listening to English every day, helps a lot. Listening has got a crucial role to become fluent.
Well, how we can think in English? That is also important for me. Okay.
Normally, 90
Because I
percentage of the
think in Malayalam.
Yeah, normally 90% of the people they think in Malayalam, then this
Mm.
translation activities happen.
Yes.
But
My
it takes
problem
time.
is
That is
that.
the thing. When you translate from Malayalam to English, it takes time.
Okay.
But the entire thinking process, when you transform this idea to English, when
Uh,
you think in English, start to think in English, definitely. So that is the right way of speaking English.
okay.
That is also a matter of practice, Sana.
Okay.
Talk
Okay.
to yourself in English. That's another practice. Talk to yourself in
Okay.
English. It's a great way of to practice. Like whenever you have free time, just think you just take one topic for speaking. Then you
Okay.
start speaking continuously, minimum 1 minute or 2 minutes,
Right.
without bothering about these grammatical rules and all.
Okay.
You got
Sir,
the idea?
my last one doubt. Okay.
Hmm.
How is the class going? That how is this half an hour? Like എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും one day? ഒരു day how if I join in advanced level, okay.
Hmm.
അപ്പം എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും class you start for me?
Okay, once you join our advanced level course, the trainer will call you and the trainer will start giving you the first class. So the first session would be just to assess your English level.
Okay.
I mean, when you speak, what are the problems you face? At
Hmm.
first, assessing the student's level, then the trainer, the next day onwards, the trainer will start, the speaking practice based on your level. The trainer needs to understand what is your present level. Then,
Okay.
if you need to, improve your grammar side, we'll give you activities based on that. There are many people, they are good at grammar, but they, face this confidence issue. So if that part, I mean, if you miss that part, we'll have to make you confident. It's all, it varies from people to people.
Okay.
So at first we want to talk to you, then we will understand your problems. Then see, we give different treatments to different students.
Okay.
The medicine is
What will be
different.
the topics, sir? What will be the topics? We
Topics we have different,
selected.
we have hundreds of topics, but at first we'll start from simple topic and we'll have vocabulary. When we speak about one topic, we have some vocabulary, phrasal verbs, and good usages that the
Mm,
trainer normally use. So you can
okay.
listen to the trainer and you can repeat after the trainer. See,
Okay.
communication normally happens when we listen and when we speak exactly like that. That's how we learn one language.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
So, and I'll give you some other additional tips as well. Never
Okay.
try to become perfect. Like nobody can speak English in a perfect way. Just if you want to start now, just start speaking now. And you
Okay.
can start with the simple words, short sentences. Fluency that will come with time.
Okay.
Okay. And
Oh,
read aloud every day. It helps you to get comfortable with English sounds. Sounds important. Okay.
okay.
And
That's right.
phrases, common English phrases. It's not, I mean, not about individual words. We have, what is the collocations? Have you
Uh,
heard about the collocations? Words that
no,
you normally comes together that are
no.
collocation. So
Okay.
this makes speaking easier. Then one more thing is there, like you can record your voice and listen because you are the best person to understand you well. You understand?
Mm.
So you
Sir, I
can.
tried recording,
Hmm.
but no words coming. That is the problem.
Oh, really?
Uh,
No, no, because normally when we listen to our voice, our own voice, we have, kind of hesitation.
yes,
Like
yes, yes.
we
And I
feel a
hate
kind of
my voice
embarrassment to
also.
listen to our own voice. But once you become
Yes,
comfortable with your voice, that's the best thing. The best
yes,
part is
yes.
that you can correct yourself.
Uh, and my some students call me cricket, cricket. My voice is very arrogant. So
No, 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 no. It's not
that
like that. I
type,
mean,
okay.
nobody
Okay.
likes, their own voice. So it
Yes.
it is a matter of practice. When you record yourself, then you listen to it. At first, I said that, I mean, there is a matter of embarrassment, but
Oh,
during a course of time, you become comfortable with that. Then you
oh,
try to, I mean, you will become in a stage where you try to love your voice.
oh,
You understand?
okay. Okay.
So, so
So,
that's the thing. Hmm.
see, anyway, sir, I am interested to join the class. Okay, sir. Ah,
Okay, no worries. So I'll just send you one
ah,
video of our different courses. So in
okay.
my opinion, you are an advanced learner because you can continue speaking English, no problem. Only some, I told you that some
Okay.
grammatical issues, minute grammar mistakes.
Ah,
Then some, I think, jump into Malayalam. That
yes,
is
that
another
is
issue.
the problem. Mm.
Mhm.
Sir,
That can
I
be
will
corrected.
contact you anyway.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay,
Okay, I'll send you
thank you,
that
sir.
video.
Okay, thank you for your time, sir. Okay.
Welcome, 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 Sana.
Okay.